Let's see how to download Zoom in iPad without App Store. In the first step, open Settings. Next, go to Privacy and Security. Next, press on Profiles and Device Management. In the next step, open Settings. Later, tap Safari. Later, allow downloads from external sources. In the next step, launch Safari browser. After that, look up Zoom iPad APK download. Now access a reliable third-party web page. In the next step, get the Zoom file. Next, open the saved file. Next, press install when asked. In the next step, navigate to Settings. Later, open General. Now select Trust for the new app. You are good to go.